We are at what is probably the biggest skincare and makeup event in Manila. Nasa BeautyCon tayo ngayon and ang daming ganap. Even as a skincare content creator, parang medyo overstimulated ako. But I want to make this video for those na magbe-visit ng BeautyCon in the next few years because this looks like it's going to be a yearly thing. So tingnan natin kung ano yung ganap dito sa BeautyCon. Let's look for the newest and the most discounted skincare products from your favorite brands. Laban na natin, let's go shopping. So we're here now in SMX Convention Center. Dito ang second ever na BeautyCon nila. And actually ako, very consistent ako. Since first year pa lang ng BeautyCon, nag-visit na ako. Pero this second year, pasabog talaga. As in, each brand, pasabog ang stall nila or yung parang booth nila. And there are discounts, there are new releases. Honestly, even as someone na skincare enthusiast for a long time na, nakaka-overwhelm talaga siya. Pero naikot ko na siya ng konting-konti. So let's keep composed and see kung ano ba yung masya-shopping natin. Meron akong kinuwang basket. So let's go. I think ang unahin natin is this brand na comeback era niya talaga. As in, come back to the young and beautiful you. Charot. For those of you who remember the brand Simple, they are back with a vengeance. With a vengeance! So sa Simple, what I got are yung Gentle Care na anti-perspirant nila and the Invisible. So this one, kung ayaw mo mag-stain sa damit mo, ito yung pipiliin mo. Pero kung gusto mo yung parang sobrang gentle lang, sensitive yung skin mo sa underarms, this is what you would get. Kasi diba, kapag irritated yung underarms mo, mangingitim. So in fairness sa Simple, ang ganda ng release na to. On fragrance siya. And then I also got, ito matagal ko na to ginagamit, the Hydrating Light Moisturizer. This one actually before, yung packaging niya was parang naka-sachet siya. Ngayon, marireuse mo na siya if ever. Pwede to, feeling ko pang travel kasi 50 ml. So under 100 ml siya. Okay, so parang in the same section yung mga pang sensitive skin eh. So dito naman tayo kay Aveeno na matagal ko na rin nire-recommend.
So dito sa Aveeno booth, meron silang free skin moisture test that you can take to help determine your skin barrier's moisture levels. And we actually got a good result sa test kasi nga user na ako ng Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. As in, since 2021, ginagamit ko na siya sa face.
I think I want to get the oat cleanser. Naubusan na ako nung cleanser na na pump. Mas madali kasi siyang gamitin eh kapag alam mo yun, tamad-tamad ka na, ayaw mo na magbukas ng ganyan-ganyan. So I think I will just get this one. Naka-markdown pa rin naman siya. 10% off, okay, for their Calm and Restore. Sige, thank you so much po. Ay, totoo ba? Oh my God, may freebies pa tayo. Kaya talaga ako nandito. So, magpa-skin moisture test kayo. This is tip number 1. Pag nasa BeautyCon kayo, mag-participate kayo sa mga pasabog nila. Mga paandar nila para meron kayong freebies, diba? So marami pang mga sensitive skin-friendly brands here. At tingnan nyo, meron pang Physiogel, Cetaphil. Yes, Cetaphil ang tamang pronunciation daw. Pero ayoko. Charot. Tapos meron din tayong CeraVe over here. Honestly, nakaka-overwhelm siya. Si Physiogel, meron na tayong cleanser eh. Ang favorite ko kasi kay Physiogel yung cleanser nila. Si Aven nandito rin. Feeling ko gusto ko sa Cetaphil kasi mahirap siyang i-pronounce. Punta tayo. For everyone's sensitive skin, including mine. Charing. Ang ganda rin ang booth nila. Soothing and comforting line that features Cica or Centella Asiatica and Allantoin. Alam nyo, very underrated in my opinion ang Allantoin as a soothing ingredient. A lot of people talk about aloe, Centella Asiatica. Well, nandito naman siya. Pero Allantoin is, I would say, underrated as a soothing ingredient. So parang gusto kong kumuha. I'm gonna be honest, I don't use a lot of toners. I probably would get the serum or the cream. Ayan sila oh. So my skin is oily. Tingnan natin kung bagay siya. So tingnan natin. I would say, pwede tong maybe night moisturizer if your skin is oily. Parang pang sandwich method if you're using mga acne medication. So I think I might get it actually. Pero torn ako, I also kinda like itong serum nila. Now that I think about it, parang pwede rin yung serum kasi pwede mo rin siya gamitin during the daytime under your sunscreen. So ayan. Tingnan natin siya. Ay, parang mas gusto ko yung serum. Very watery, very presko sa skin. I think I'm gonna get the serum. Nasaan ba yung serum? Charot. Guys, naubusan tayo ng serum. So, I think this is tip number 2 sa BeautyCon. Go early. Kasi talaga, mauubusan ka ng mga bagong products nila. Parang gusto ko na tuloy kunin si toner na lang. Pero hindi talaga ako nagto-toner eh. Biling ko na lang siguro online pag ni-release nila. Sayang, Cetaphil. Anyway, sige. Punta tayo sa ibang booth. Dalian na natin, baka maubusan pa tayo ng mga products na gusto natin. Oh my God guys, binigyan nila kami ng coin para mag-play ng parang gacha. Gacha ba tawag dito? Sige nga, try natin. Ayan. Okay, so nakakuha ako ng moisturizing lotion, perfecting serum from the Bright Healthy Radiance line, and gentle skin cleanser. Ay, wow! Thank you so much! Ang bait nila dito. May consolation prize ako. Kahit hindi ako nakakuha ng Sika na serum nila. Thank you so much! Thank you so much. Oh, di ba? Perfect. Kaya mag-participate talaga kayo kasi meron kayong free na makukuha. Okay, so lipat na tayo sa mga iba pang booths. Oh my God, buy one, get one ang Belo sunscreen. Ayan. Sa mga nag-aabang online, pag BeautyCon, feeling ko almost always buy one, get one na sila. Thank you so much po! Okay, so always kapag BeautyCon, expect nyo na rin medyo pasabog si Pon. Tingnan nyo naman ang ano nila. Papakita ko lang sa inyo yung favorite ko. Nandito ako sa pinaka-loob. This one, guys, I swear, kapag sobrang kailangan nyo ng matte sunscreen, this one, I can really swear by. Plus, meron pa siyang niasourcinol, which will work great on your dark spots. As in. Hindi siya discounted ngayon. Yung other products nila are discounted. May buy one, get one. May 30 off. Pero, ito talaga, kung kapag may stock pa nito, kunin nyo. Really great for oily skin with dark spots. Pero kasi, nung pumunta ako ng Thailand, nag-hoard talaga ako ng funds. So, wala akong mabili ngayon. Kasi meron pa ako lahat ng products nila, pero at least alam niyo, user ako dito. Dito naman tayo kay Tita Small. In fairness, pasabog din yung booth ni Tita Small, ah. So, nandito yung mga products nila. Meron sila ng essentials. Yung extended line nila. This one, I really, really like it. Ultralight sunscreen nila. Pakita ko sa inyo, ah. This one is gel type, and it blends invisible. Walang white cast at all. As in, perfect talaga. Shout out Tita Small. Tingnan niyo yung consistency niya. Sobrang fresco lang. Invisible gel type na sunscreen siya. Check pa tayo ng ibang mga brands though. Parang gusto ko pumunta sa Olay. So yung Olay, matagal ko nang nakikita yung isang product nila called the Super Serum. So dito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, itong Super Serum nila, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't really know yet what it's for or parang ano ba yung parang appropriate sa skin ko. So tingnan muna natin yung ingredients. 50 off siya, di ba? Perfect. I feel like BeautyCon is probably one of the best times of the year to buy your skincare kasi regular price niya is 2,499, ngayon 1,249. Ang Olay din kasi talaga, it's known to have a lot of high quality products like yung retinol nila, moisturizer, and you can really trust the ingredients that they have. So gusto ko mag-decide between the day serum and the night serum. I think ang difference, minention ni Miss sa akin kanina, may vitamin C yung day, then yung night is may AHA. Pareho silang 50 off. Alam, natutorn ako. I feel like I'm gonna go with the night serum. Meron siyang exfoliants, peptides, and glycerin and niacinamide. So I will try this. I'm not sure yet if I can recommend kasi hindi ko pa siya natutry, pero mukhang promising. Siyempre na andito ang ating favorite Watson's sunscreen brand, si Dermaction Plus. In fairness din talaga, malaki ang mga discounts nila. So one of the most underrated lines ng Dermaction, in my opinion aside from yung sunscreen na line nila, is really yung acne series na line nila because they have a gentle cleanser that's actually 50 off. Tapos meron din silang sunscreen for oily and acne-prone skin. So, ito, hindi ko nga lang ma-swatch for you guys kasi wala talagang lumalabas. Ayan, wala talaga. Wala lumalabas. So, hindi ko siya ma-swatch sa inyo pero parang gusto kong kunin yung anti-acne facial gel niya kasi 50 off siya. Diba? Thank you so much! Okay, next naman na pupuntahan natin, I'm super curious about yung mga new products ng brand na Quick FX. Actually, every year, parang pasabog lagi yung booth ni Quick FX or lagi silang may paandar. What really interests me is yung bagong line ni Quick FX. Meron sila mga new products. Natin nyo, ang ganda sobra ng packaging. So this one is a foam wash. So what you would do, gaganunin mo siya, tapos may lalabas na foam. Tapos, doon mo siya ilalather on your face. And I actually really love na gumawa sila ng made for twins. Kasi maraming mga twins nagsa-skincare na masyadong harsh on their skin. Kahit medyo disturbing na parang, oh my God, yung mga twins nagsa-skincare na. I think it's actually a good practice. So ako, kasi gusto ko talagang i-try yung line na to. Okay, I'll get the body wash. With the lotion na. Guys, parang mapaparami yung cleansers na bibili natin. Parang after BeautyCon, linis na linis ang aking skin barrier. Oh, so laging may free na Glassy Glow. I love it.
For now, mabilis siya na ubos kasi limited pa lang yung stocks natin for now. Pero soon we will be restocking naman in all Watsons din.
Okay, in all Watsons stores. So mabibili na lang natin siya online. Yan talaga ang number one tip natin. Pumunta kayo ng maaga kasi mauubusan kayo ng skincare. Kahit hindi naman ako twins, binibili ko pa rin yung mga pang twins. Tama ba yon? Parang feeling twin ako, feeling 12. Sorry, fairness talaga kay Quick FX. Very palaban sila every year. So the next brand na gusto kong puntahan dito is this European brand, if I'm not mistaken. Na andito na sila sila sa Pilipinas ngayon, hindi ko na-realize. Kasi akala ko, sa Korea ko lang sila nakikita usually. It's the brand Uriage. Tama po ba? Uriage. Okay, Uriage. European brand siya. Actually, never pa ako gumagamit ng Uriage except for yung water mist nila na parang may mga minerals. Ayan, ito, the O Thermal. Usually kasi pag pumunta ako sa Korea, meron sila parang mga 1+1. Kaya pinapakyaw ko yun. Pero how much na lang po siya? 583. Okay, got it. So ito naman, very interesting for me, yung cleansing cream nila kasi parang I feel like you can use this to remove makeup for normal to dry skin. So I think a lot of people who have sensitive, normal, or dry skin, para maganda tong kay Uriage talaga. Meron din silang mga micellar products for different skin types. So this one po is for oily. Normal to dry, sensitive skin. Yung mga micellar water. Actually, I might try a micellar water kasi meron ako mga micellar water brands na tinatry na medyo mahapdi sa skin ko. Sige, feeling ko kunin ko to kasi oily ako eh. So si Uriage po, ano yun, sa Watsons ba siya magiging available? Watsons magiging available si Uriage. Ano po?
Taguig, meron na kami.
Meron na sila sa Taguig. Watsons Taguig, shout out. Shout out sa mga staff ng SM Taguig, mag-comment kayo. Charot. Pero yan, okay, sige. Thank you so much. Yun muna ang kukunin natin kay Uriage. I really wanna try their micellar. Ayun na naman tayo. Oh my God. Puro cleanser na naman ang napapakyaw natin. Punta na tayo sa iba pang booth. Ito naman guys, one of my favorite booths na naan dito sa BeautyCon ngayon because this year, nag-decide magtayo din ng booth ang none other than the Philippine Dermatological Society. Diba? Perfect. So actually, pag tumingin kayo sa loob, merong mga board-certified dermatologists inside. As in, lahat sila nag-free consultation. Again, free consultation na. Kaya talaga sinasabi ko sa inyo, kung matagalin ang gustong mag-consult with a dermatologist, BeautyCon is also the best avenue for you. Actually, kung tinitingnan ko ngayon, parang wala siya masyadong pila. Daanan natin. Pero ito guys, marami din kasing mga institutions like mga online na accredited sila ng PDS and they also offer free consultation doon sa clinic nila. Ayan o, tingnan nyo. Wala masyadong tao ngayon. So perfect na perfect, diba? Every BeautyCon, kung naghahanap kayo ng consultation with a board-certified dermatologist, meron na. Tingnan nyo to. Meron sa screen nila. Hello po. Meron sa screen nila the 17 PDS accredited institutions. So kung hindi nyo man mapuntahan sila sa BeautyCon, you can check out the 17 accredited institutions ng Philippine Dermatological Society. So shout out sa ating mga PDS derms. Thank you so much for providing us your service, di ba? Perfect. Ayan, so alam nyo na. Honestly, ang dami din talagang tao dito sa hair na part. Mabenta talaga ang mga hair products. Okay, so pasok tayo sa Hada Labo because meron akong parang bagong product na gustong tingnan sa kanila. Ayan, naandito. So pasok tayo. So itong Gokujun Premium line nila is a new line that they released. This one is a toner, hydrating toner na brand. And meron silang big size and small size. I think I'm gonna try this one first. And ito, very interesting siya kasi meron siyang ingredient to lighten dark spots. So, kung makikita nyo, it has Sim White 377. So, if you guys don't know yet, ang Sim White 377, yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyong phenylethyl resorcinol. So, yung ingredient na yon actually works to help fade your dark spots. Very, very underrated. And actually, nagulat ako na nandito yung Sim White 377 because usually, we know Hada Labo to be a hydrating brand. And actually, ito, hydrating line to nila eh. Pero, for some reason, they added Sim White 377. I will make an exception this time. Parang gusto ko muna i-try yung toner nila na maliit. Okay, so try lang natin siya. So, 8 types of hyaluronic acid plus peptide plus Sim White 377. I-add to cart na natin to. Mukhang dumadami na ang ating cart, mga sisi ko. Parang matutumba na siya. Perfect si Hada Labo. May bagong pa-sabog. May bagong pa-release sa atin. So, let's go to the other booths. So, hindi natin kakalimutan syempre ang isa sa mga brands na sinasupport ko talaga personally. Let us go to the Dr. O Spotless Skin Lab. Syempre, papasok tayo dito, di ba? So for those of you who don't know, Dr. O is a really good brand for beginners na medyo lost sa skincare. Hindi nyo alam kung ano yung bibili nyo sa Watsons. Dr. O, very straightforward. So for example, ano ba yung skin issue mo? For example, kung ang issue mo is dryness, the dryness solution, very straightforward. Dark spots, dark spot solution. Aging, signs of aging, aging solution, di ba? Perfect. Retinol, vitamin C, vitamin B5, and ceramides. Actually, lahat sila may ceramides eh. Very, very straightforward. Very, very good for those na hindi pa alam kung ano bang serum yung itatry nila but at the same time, ayaw nilang mag-purge or parang ayaw nilang ma-irritate yung skin nila. Very, very good skincare line to begin with. Pero, meron ako nitong tatlo. As in, hindi pa ubos yung tatlo kong Dr. O. So, what I actually will be getting from them, very underrated product from them, is yung Spotless Hydro Pimple. Ay, ang cute! May ano na siya! Colors! Cute naman ang design nila. It's giving pop girly. I love it. Hindi available yung clear ngayon. Hindi. Okay. Meron naman yan sa Watsons. At least you guys know, very, very underrated yung pimple patches nila. As in, maganda talaga. Super duper clear on your skin. But again, I do recommend yung mga Dr. O products for those na beginner. So also, if you guys don't know, yung skincare section of Beautycon is just one half. As in, kalahati lang to ng buong convention center na area nila. The other half naman is makeup. So I think Warzone kasi talaga yung makeup, as in, lahat sila nagsisiksika, naglalabanan for makeup products kasi maraming mga freebies. So sige na nga, ilaban natin. Pumunta na tayo kasi feeling ko talaga ang dami nating kalaban. Meron din pala dito yung mga favorite nating Korean skincare brands. Beauty of Joseon is here. Oh my God. Eto, this is really an OG product of Beauty of Joseon, the Relief Sunrise Plus Probiotics. Kung wala pang masyadong lightweight options ng mga sunscreens in the market, this is really a good option. Tapos nag-release din sila ng bago itong Aqua Fresh nila. But when I try this kasi medyo glowy, so I think this is more for dehydrated or dry skin types. And of course, hindi natin makakalimutan the very mattifying na matte sunscreen nila. In fairness talaga dito, as in, one of the best. Magkalaban lang silang dalawa ni Lux Organics in terms of being very lightweight on the skin. Feeling ko marami pa akong gustong tingnan na iba. So, iwan muna natin si Beauty of Joseon. So we're here at the Round Lab booth right now, and in fairness, meron silang mga bagong releases na last ko nakita 2023 in Korea nung nag-Seoul kami ng mga friends ko. So they finally released their soybean panthenol line. So as you can see, yung parang art nila dito is yung mga parang bricks, meaning it rebuilds your skin barrier. Kaya talaga nakakatuwa, nandito na to. So they have a serum but they also have a toner. Okay na okay to for mga dehydrated skin types. But also they have a Vita niacinamide line. So I'm guessing this is a vitamin C and niacinamide na line. So ayan siya. In fact, ang ganda talaga ng art nila dito. Something to watch out for if you have dry to normal skin, yung toner nila as well as the serum, diba? Meron silang tester. Gusto kong i-swatch. Watery, pero medyo mafe-feel mo yung nourishment. So parang milk texture siya. Next, I wanna try the serum. Ooh. Actually, parang okay ito. Maganda yung soothing nila, hydrating na toner. But again, yun nga, marami pa akong ganito. Pag-iisipan pa natin. As a mindful consumer, talaga ba? Daming cleanser na binili. Daanan din natin tong Toriden. Oh my God, guys. Kailangan yung makita yung favorite product ko dito. Alright, so my favorite product talaga sa Toriden is yung lip essence nila. As in, the best ever na lip essence. Papakita ko sa inyo. Solid In Lip Essence Set. Hindi ko to bibilin here though kasi meron pa ako. But even if makita niyo yung Thailand vlogs ko, as in, girly, one of the best. Tapos nung merong nagme-makeup sa akin, favorite daw talaga nila to for the luscious glazed look sa lips. Perfect talaga. Hindi ko lang bibilin to kasi parang tatlo pa yung Toriden lip essence ko, but highly recommend. Punta naman tayo dito sa kapitbahay ni Toriden na si Skintific. Di ba akala nyo ang Skintific is just a TikTok brand? Available na rin sila sa Watsons recently. As in, ang dami nilang magagandang products. Yung ceramide line nila, for those na hindi afford ang CeraVe, it's a more affordable alternative. Pero meron akong isang product from them na gusto kong itry, yung sunscreen nila. So it's called the Matte Fit na sunscreen. Parang bagong release lang nila dito yun Super duper curious ako dito kasi nung nirelease siya sa Thailand, parang ang ganda-ganda ng reviews. But I really wanna see if it does well on the skin kapag blend. Ay! Oh my God. Ang bilis niyang mag-blend. And it has Zinc PCA. Zinc PCA is an ingredient that can actually help with the oiliness on the skin. Ectowin. Ectowin is parang it acts like an antioxidant. And oat extract, which is soothing. Oh my goodness. As in, it's marketed as oil control. So, I'm super excited. Kung gusto niyo ng review nito, let me know. As in, na-excite ako dito. Thank you so much! Ayan, meron pa tayong free from them na moisture gel and soothing toner. Thank you po. Oh my gosh. Very interesting, itong 377 nila. May kita niyo talaga maraming mga brands. When it comes to dark spots, they always talk about Sim White 377. Diba yung kanina natin sa Hada Labo? Skintific is also using that specific ingredient for dark spots. But for this one, they include it with niacinamide. So in fairness talaga sa kanila. Feeling ko yun lang. Kay Skintific, probably just the Matte Fit Serum Sunscreen. I think tapos na natin ang skincare. Punta naman tayo sa makeup. Konting-konti lang. Kasi talaga, hindi naman ako naghahanap ng mga blush, ng mga lip product. Actually, baka lip products, yes. Mostly yung hinahanap ko, mga tinted sunscreens or skin tint. So tingnan natin kung may okay dun sa kabilang side. Sabi ko sa inyo kagulo talaga dito. Warzone. Tip number pang ilan na ba tayo? Hindi ko alam. Mas peaceful ang skincare section compared sa makeup section. Laging may awayan talaga. Laging punong-punong-puno dito. Oh my God. I feel like ang hahanapin ko na lang is si Issy. Yun lang naman yung usually kong binibili. Grabe guys, parang the claustrophobia is claustrophobic king. This year, meron din pala silang mga fragrances. So, ayan. Ang daming tao ang hahaba ng pila. Parang ayoko makipagsapalaran dun sa Issy. Super daming. Dami talaga. I think give up na ako sa makeup. Parang hindi ko talaga kaya yung makeup. Masyadong maraming kalaban. So the next tip, kung gusto niyo mag-shopping ng makeup dito sa BeautyCon, agahan nyo talaga para hindi masyado maraming kalaban. Okay, so I actually wanna check out this new Korean skincare brand. Nakaka-release lang sa Philippines. Actually, parang same time silang nag-release sa Korea at sa Philippines. Kaya very interesting. It's this brand over here. Ang ganda, by the way, ng branding nila. It's this brand called Standard Soul. And meron silang mga parang serum products na super interesting. Tinan mo, meron silang parang things sa loob na nagbabounce. And super interesting kasi kanina nung nadaanan ko to, meron pala silang serum with niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, kojic acid, and sea buckthorn water. Etong tatlo na to, brightening ingredients. Sea buckthorn water is also known to have like a natural amount of vitamin C or high amount of vitamin C in it. So actually, eto instant add to cart na because I really wanna try it for my dark spots. They also have a product na may retinol and PDRN. And for me, this is a really good strategy to introduce. For example, yung PDRN, di ba? Hindi pa alam ng maraming mga tao yan. So ako, ang lagi ko sinasabi, it's better to pair it with ingredients that are tried and tested already. So the fact na sinabay nila to sa retinol, magandang idea yon. So parang, hala, parang gusto ko na rin. And then they also have a hydrating serum. Ito naman, hyaluronic acid and ceramides. Tapos meron pa silang moisturizer na gel cream. Oh my God. Parang gusto kong bilhin yung entire line. Parang lahat gusto kong kunin. As a mindful consumer, budol na naman tayo. Pero kasi puro cleansers na kinukuha natin kanina. So, mag-serum naman tayo, di ba? And then they also have a bubble mask cleanser na may AHA, PHA, LHA. So, mga exfoliating ingredients sila. Hello po, ma'am. One of everything po. As a mindful consumer, gusto ko po kasi itry yung brand. Okay, dahil new brand to, I think I really want to try it. Actually, natutorn ako. What really got my attention is yung brightening serum. So, I think I will get the brightening serum. Yung gel cream, feeling ko pass muna. Pero ang ganda din kasi ng ingredients Pantecera. The cleanser din, feeling ko pass muna. Feeling ko ano muna, nag-ano talaga binawi niya lahat. Yung ano lang po, the Vita serum, yung brightening. Ganda nung packaging. As in, pump. Pero ang dami na nating cleanser na binili. So, I think, sige, ito muna. Kasi nasa ano ko, miss parang nasa responsible era ko. Responsible era! Ang dami ko sinabi. Nag-open up pa ako kay miss. Okay, sige. So, itry natin si Standard Soul. Looks like a very promising brand, if I do say so myself. Alpha-arbutin, niacinamide, kojic acid. Hindi ako makaget over. Ang galing. Thank you! So, nandito tayo sa Biore na booth kasi gusto kong mag-refill or mag-top up ng sunscreen na naubos na sa akin. And this is actually a sunscreen that I like to recommend for a lot of people for the body. Itong Biore UV Aqua Rich Mist nila. Ito talaga sobrang lightweight niya. As in, gusto ko siya ipakita sa inyo para talaga ma-appreciate nyo. Sana meron pa. Super watery, di ba? Pero wait until you see me blend it on my skin. Ayan clear na clear. And kung sa body mo lang to gagamitin, perfect talaga. Actually ako personally, it does say face and body, but I just like to use it sa body ko kasi talaga sobrang bilis niyang mag-absorb, super presko, comfortable. And Biore, yung mga sunscreens nila sa Aqua Rich are known to be very water resistant. So ginagamit ko siya actually kapag nag-workout ako, kapag nag-gym ako, when I'm gonna be outside. So kumuha tayo kasi naubusan na nga talaga ako. Sa sobrang committed ko sa sunscreen na to kahit na regular price, kahit wala siyang promo sa BeautyCon, instant add to cart kasi talaga love na love ko siya. This is also the sunscreen from someone in my team, as in dala-dala niya. Di ba? Miss, sa inyo ba to or sa team ko? Sa kanya, di ba? So guys, I think this is already enough skincare to buy kasi parang feeling ko libo-libo na yung total amount nito. So I think I will be checking out already. Feeling ko naman may mga discounts yung ibang products dito, so worth it siya. And since mapopost ko na yung video na to nang tapos na yung BeautyCon, if you're interested to keep looking at yung mga products na binili ko, ililink namin sila lahat sa lower part ng screen as well as sa description box para hindi na kayo mahirapang hanapin sila. And as per usual, dahil nga shopping video pa rin to, meron pa rin tayong giveaway. Unfortunately, definitely itong bibilin ko, sa akin talaga to. Pero for those of you who watched, you can still stand a chance to win a special package from Watson's Beauty Con. So meron pa rin akong ipapamigay na skincare, and if you wanna stand a chance to win that, ilalagay ko na lang lahat ng details sa description box. Yun lang guys, feeling ko aabunin na talaga tayo ng siyam-siyam kapag chinut pa namin yung sa cashier. So for now, that is it. And again, if you want to see other videos, ilalagay na lang namin siya dito sa sides ng screen. Those are my shopping videos according to Skin Concern naman. But anyway, thank you so much sa mga nanood ng video na to, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!